Hello, good day. This video focuses on merger arbitrage. Merger arbitrage has grown exponentially since the 1980s, from small operations within Wall Street firms to standalone arbitrage funds directly accessible to the public. A number of merger arbitrage hedge funds follow this strategy. The content of this topic is referred mostly from the journal article of Gurav and G. 2010, The Shrinking Merger Arbitrage Spread: Reasons and Implications, which was published in the Financial Analyst Journal. At the end of this video, it is hoped that students will be able to understand how merger arbitrage is conducted and how to measure merger arbitrage spread and its performance in recent years. Stay tuned and let's learn together. What is a merger arbitrage? Merger arbitrage is also known as risk arbitrage. It is an investment strategy that involves buying and selling shares, involving merger that entails payments in shares. Which shares are being acquired? The shares of the target company. Which shares are being short sold? The shares of the acquiring company. What is the objective of merger arbitrage? The objective of the strategy is to capture the arbitrage spread. Arbitrage spread is the difference between the acquisition price and the price at which the target stock trades before the consummation of the merger. The arbitrage spread is realized over the period between the merger's announcement and its consummation. Is there any risk involved in merger arbitrage? What do you think? Well, the answer is yes. The arbitrager will incur a loss if the merger fails. How to calculate the arbitrage spread? There are two equations listed in this slide. In a cash deal, the target shareholders are paid in cash only. In a stock deal, the target shareholders are paid in common stock of the acquiring company. This slide shows the detailed description of the symbols used in the cash deal formula. If you observe carefully, you will see that this formula is a simple formula that measures change or difference in price. If the offer price is higher than the price of the target company, a positive spread or profit can be generated. This slide shows the detailed description of the symbols used in the stock deal formula. Here, ER stands for the deal exchange ratio. That is, the number of shares of the acquiring company in exchange for one share of the target company's common stock. Now, let's apply the formula that we have just learned. We are going to look into an example to calculate the cash deal spread and stock deal spread. Company A acquires Company B. I have listed down the final answer at the end of this slide to motivate you to try. Happy trying! Here is the answer. Question A. Calculate the cash deal spread when the cash purchase price is $9. The cash deal spread is equal to the purchase price of $9 minus the share price of the target company of $8. and then divided by the share price of the target company. Question B. Calculate the stock deal spread when the exchange ratio is 0.5. The stock deal spread is equal to 20 times 0.5 minus 8, then divided by 8. The stock deal spread is higher at 0.25. Question C. Calculate the stock deal spread when the share price of the acquiring company decreases to $18. If the share price of the acquiring company is lower, the stock deal spread will also be lower at 0.125. Let's look into a second example. On 10 July 2008, the Dow Chemical Company announced the acquisition of Braun and Haas Company for $78 a share in cash. In response to the announcement, Braun and Haas Company stock price increased by more than 60% to close at 73.62. How much is the arbitrage spread? The arbitrage spread at the close of the New York Stock Exchange on 10 July 2008 was $4.38, or 5.9%. You can also calculate the arbitrage spread as 78 minus 73.62 and then divided by 73.62. How is the performance of merger arbitrage? Is merger arbitrage profitable? Several studies have reported large excess returns related to merger arbitrage investment strategy, as shown in this slide. According to Gurav and G2010, the merger arbitrage spread has declined by more than 400 basis points since year 2000. There are three explanations to the decline in merger arbitrage spread. First, there is a reduction in transaction costs related to merger arbitrage. Second, capacity constraints have occurred over time as more money is chasing a limited number of deals. Third, there is a reduction in risk associated with merger arbitrage. The findings suggest that some of the decline is likely to be permanent. Finally, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you have benefited from the presentation and content in this video. If you like this video, please click like, subscribe or share. Thank you, see you and goodbye.